Now बच्चे, have a look on illustration number 59. Priya and Beena are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2. Following was the balance sheet of the firm as on 31st March 2016. The date is given 31st March 2016. That means this is the closing balance sheet. This is the closing balance sheet and closing capitals are given. So first of all in this question we have to calculate the opening capital. Now see rest of the question. The profit of the year was 30,000 were distributed between the partners without allowing interest on capital. Means we have distributed the profit but we have omitted to allow interest on capital 12% and salary to Priya. Now two things are left. Salary 1,000 per month to Priya also. During the year Priya withdrawn 80,000 and Beena withdrawn 8,000 and Beena withdrawn 4,000. Showing you are working clearly. Pass necessary journal entry. And this is the question which came in 2017 CBSE compartment exam. So first of all we will calculate the opening capital. Closing capital we will take from the balance sheet. Three things we have to prepare. Opening capital, calculation of opening capital, we use the formula closing capital add drawings less profit. So opening capital will be obtained, then we will prepare the adjustment table and then we will pass the adjustment entry. So first of all we will take the closing capital from the balance sheet of Priya and Beena. It was 80,000 and 40,000. Drawings are given 8,000 and 4,000. It will be added back. Now profit is given 30,000. Total profit is 30,000 and it is to be divided among both the partners in 3:2. 18 and 12. It will be deducted. Now the opening capital will be 70 and 32. 70 and 32. Closing capitals, we will add drawings in it. Profit will be deducted. Now opening capital, we got the opening capital. Now we will charge interest on capital. Interest on capital we have omitted. Interest on capital will be credited. The rate of interest on capital is 12%. So 12% of 70,000 is 8,400. Priya and Beena. Total interest on capital will be 8,400 and 3,840. 12% of 32,000 will be 3,840. Now the total will be 12,240. One thing more was left, that was salary. Salary will also be credited and the salary was 1,000 per month. Means for the whole year it will be taken. So 1,000 into 12 means 12,000 for the whole year. This is to be credited. These two things we have to give them total credit. It will come total credit 20,400 and 3,840. 12,000 here we will also write salary. Then the total will be 24,240. Interest on capital 12% was omitted. We have given. First of all we will calculate the opening capitals and then we will charge interest on opening capitals. Then salary of PI is given. Now we will do the total credit. Then this profit will be debited in their profit sharing ratio and it will be 14544 and 9696. So now we will, as usual, we will see whose debit is more and whose credit is more. Here credit is bigger by 5856. Here debit is bigger by 5856. Now we will pass the adjustment entry. Who is to be debited? Beena. Bina's capital account debited 5856 to Pia's capital account 5856. Adjustment for omitted IOC and salary, means you have omitted interest on capital and salary. So if closing capital is given in the question, first of all we have to calculate the opening capital, then interest on capital will be allowed on opening capital, then salary will also be allowed, total credited. Then the total of total credit will be divided among the partners and debited among the partners in 3:2. Now we will see the bigger will be debited and the bigger will be credited. So these type of questions are very important these days, because in 2017 in compartment it was the question. Now next question was also in the board exam 2018, and the concept is ditto same. Himanshu and Vikrant are partners and their ratio is equal partners, and the closing balance sheet capital is given. That means closing capital is given, and first of all we will calculate the opening capital. This is the given closing capitals. Then during the year drawings are given. During the year profit was 1 lakh. While distributing profit, interest on capital and interest on drawing was ignored. Same is the question, and it was also in the sample paper of 2018. So these questions are very trendy, if you can say that. So calculation of opening capital, closing capital, add drawings, less profit in equal proportion. It will be divided. Every time you have to divide the profit in their profit sharing ratio. Closing capital, add drawings, less profit, it will be opening capital. Now we will charge 5% interest on opening capitals. It will be totaled. Then out of this we have to debit the interest on drawings. Date of drawing is not given, only drawings are given. So we will charge 12% for 6 months. It will be 1800 and 2400. So after deducting this from this, total credit we will get. Then this total will be debited in their profit sharing ratio. Now we will see whose debit is more and whose credit is more. That will be the entry. Same concept in these two questions. Thank you.